Imagine a world where machines learn, adapt, and work alongside humans. That's not a distant future, it's happening right now. The dawn of artificial intelligence in industries is no longer a mere concept, it's the reality we're living in. From the way we work to the roles we undertake, AI is causing a significant shift in the workforce landscape. It's not about machines replacing humans, it's about machines and humans working in harmony, each augmenting the other's capabilities. AI is helping businesses achieve unprecedented levels of productivity and efficiency. It's automating routine tasks, freeing up time for workers to focus on more complex, creative aspects of their roles. It's like having a supercharged assistant that doesn't tire, doesn't err, and keeps learning and improving. This AI revolution isn't confined to a single sector, it's a wave sweeping across industries, transforming them from the ground up. In healthcare, AI is assisting doctors with diagnosis and treatment plans. In finance, AI tools are predicting market trends and managing risks. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots are enhancing precision and reducing waste. The transportation sector is witnessing a shift towards AI-driven autonomous vehicles. The list goes on, and it's only expanding. These changes are not just visible, they're measurable. Animated graphs that track the rise of AI adoption across sectors show a steep upward trend. It's not a slow, gradual climb, it's a rocket blasting off into the stratosphere. But this journey into the AI era is not without its challenges. As machines take on more tasks, the nature of human jobs is changing. Upskilling and reskilling have become buzzwords in the corporate world. The workforce needs to adapt, learn new skills, and prepare for new roles. As AI continues to evolve, it is reshaping industries and job roles in ways we could only dream of a few decades ago. The dawn of AI in industries is not just a technological revolution, it's a societal transformation. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a tool that's revolutionizing sectors from healthcare to transportation. Let's take a closer look at how AI technologies are reshaping these industries. In healthcare, AI is acting as a powerful assistant to doctors and researchers. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, helping to diagnose diseases such as cancer at early stages. AI is also aiding in the discovery of new treatments by simulating the effects of various drug combinations, potentially unlocking breakthroughs in medical science. In the financial sector, AI is making waves as well. Predictive analytics powered by AI are forecasting market trends with unprecedented accuracy, allowing investors to make informed decisions. AI is also automating routine tasks, freeing up financial professionals to focus on strategic planning and customer engagement. Switching gears to manufacturing, AI is optimizing production lines in ways that were unimaginable a decade ago. Through the use of predictive maintenance, AI can foresee machine breakdowns before they occur, reducing downtime and boosting productivity. AI is also helping in the design of products, using generative design algorithms to come up with innovative solutions. And in the realm of transportation, AI is enhancing safety and efficiency. Autonomous vehicles powered by AI are becoming a reality, promising to reduce accidents and revolutionize the way we commute. AI is also transforming logistics, optimizing routes and improving fuel efficiency, leading to significant cost savings. These are just a few examples of how AI is transforming industries and redefining job roles. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. As we continue to adopt AI, we must also consider its implications on workforce dynamics and societal impacts. As we move forward, it's crucial that we don't just adapt to these changes, but proactively shape them, ensuring that AI serves as a tool for enhancement, not replacement. After all, the future of work isn't about AI versus humans, it's about AI and humans working together, leveraging each other's strengths. These are just a few examples of how AI is transforming industries and redefining job roles. With great power comes great responsibility, and AI is no exception. As we delve deeper into the realm of artificial intelligence, we find ourselves standing on the precipice of vast opportunities and daunting challenges. The rise of AI presents a transformative era, one that's reshaping industries and job roles in ways that were once the stuff of science fiction. Industry leaders and experts are increasingly recognizing AI's potential to drive productivity, efficiency, and innovation. In healthcare, AI-powered diagnostics are providing more accurate and timely medical insights. In finance, AI-driven data analysis is revolutionizing risk assessment and investment strategies. In manufacturing and transportation, AI is paving the way for smart factories and autonomous vehicles. Yet, along with these opportunities, AI presents a set of complex challenges. One of the most pressing issues is the impact of AI automation on workforce dynamics. The fear of job displacement is real, and it's valid. As AI systems become more sophisticated, many routine tasks are being automated, leading to significant shifts in job roles and responsibilities. But it's not all doom and gloom. While AI may automate certain tasks, it also creates new roles and opportunities that we're just beginning to understand. And that's where upskilling and reskilling come into play. Upskilling involves learning new skills to excel in your current job, while reskilling is about acquiring new skills for a different job. As AI continues to evolve, we'll need to adapt, learn, and grow alongside it. Moreover, the rise of AI calls for a new kind of collaboration between humans and machines. Rather than viewing AI as a threat, we can see it as a tool, a partner that can augment human capabilities and free us from mundane tasks. In this way, we can focus on tasks that require creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem solving, the very traits that make us human. As AI continues to advance, we must navigate these challenges to fully harness its potential. While AI offers numerous benefits, it also raises crucial ethical questions. As we usher in an era of automated workplaces, we must ponder on the ethical implications that come with it. The most immediate concern is job displacement. While AI can boost productivity and efficiency, it could also potentially render certain roles redundant. As machines take over routine tasks, millions of jobs worldwide are at risk. It is crucial for businesses to navigate this transition in a manner that minimizes social disruption and ensures workers are not left behind. But job displacement is just the tip of the iceberg. Another critical issue is algorithmic bias. AI systems learn from data, and if this data is biased, the AI will be too. This can perpetuate and even amplify existing societal inequalities, leading to discriminatory practices in hiring, promotions, and beyond. For instance, imagine an AI system trained on data from a company where leadership roles are predominantly held by men. This AI may inadvertently learn to associate leadership qualities with male candidates, potentially disadvantaging women in the hiring process. This is an instance of algorithmic bias, a subtle yet pervasive form of discrimination that we must vigilantly guard against. Moreover, the increasing reliance on AI systems brings about privacy concerns. AI's ability to collect, analyze, and leverage vast amounts of data can lead to potential misuse or breach of personal information. Establishing robust data protection measures is therefore critical. Finally, there's the question of accountability. If an AI system makes a decision that has negative consequences, who is held responsible? The programmer, the user, the company that deployed it? These are complex questions that we must grapple with as we move forward. Addressing these ethical concerns is crucial to ensuring a fair and inclusive future of work. By doing so, we can harness the power of AI to create a future where technology serves everyone, not just a privileged few. The future of work is not just about machines, it's about the harmonious collaboration between humans and AI. As we delve into this concept, we find ourselves in an era where the human workforce and artificial intelligence are increasingly intertwined, shaping a future that is both exciting and challenging. AI's transformative power is undeniable. It's reshaping industries, revolutionizing job roles, and redefining our understanding of productivity and efficiency. But as we embrace this technology, we must also recognize the need for adaptation and collaboration on our part. Yes, AI can automate tasks, but it also creates new roles that require a unique blend of human and machine capabilities. It's not about replacing humans, it's about augmenting human potential. AI can perform calculations at lightning speed, but it's the human touch that brings creativity, empathy, and strategic thinking skills that are irreplaceable. Yet, this transition is not without its challenges. Upskilling and reskilling become paramount as job roles evolve. We must equip ourselves with the necessary digital and technological skills to work alongside AI. This doesn't mean everyone becomes a coder overnight, but rather, we all need to understand the basics of AI and how it can be applied in our respective fields. Furthermore, we must also address the ethical implications of AI. From job displacement concerns to algorithmic bias, these are real issues that demand thoughtful solutions. Open dialogue, regulation, and inclusive design are crucial in ensuring that the benefits of AI are shared by all. The future of work is a dynamic landscape, one that continues to evolve with each technological advancement. It's a future filled with immense possibilities and, yes, a few uncertainties, but one thing is certain: our success in this new world will be determined not by the technology we create, but by how well we adapt and collaborate with it. As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, the future of work will be shaped by how well we adapt and collaborate with AI.